Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Our topic for today is Wife, make him happy. Dear wife, making your husband very happy can be a lot easier if you do these things. Recognize and acknowledge that he is a man, actually your man. Most men are silent strugglers with ego issues. To make matters difficult, most wives have been recruited into the feminist movement. You see that demonic setup for crisis? Feed his ego needs. You didn't marry a sissy. Dear wife, honor him profusely. He cannot resist honor. Unfortunately, in most marriages, see finish has set in. Just in case you don't know what see finish is, it means I've already gotten what I want, so that's it. This is destructive. Don't make a habit of fighting him, arguing everything, nagging at him, and proving your equality. By your conduct, show that you know he is the head of this house and deservedly so. Dear wife, appreciate him lavishly. Men labor a lot more than it's mostly apparent. The weight of responsibility they bear is enormous, and what may seem to be something ordinary is often done at great cost to them. Whether it is a gift or supportive gesture, pick out what he does for you or the family and make him feel the gratitude. I'll repeat that again. Whether it is a gift or support or gesture, pick out what he does for you or the family and make him feel the gratitude. Taking his effort for granted kills him. Dear wife, hype him. Hype him. Yes. When last did you do this? Send a text, WhatsApp, or something. He doesn't even have to be back home before you do it. You can do it in person, but just do it. And don't do it just because you want money or favors. Extol his virtues. Appreciate him for him and bump his ego with your belief in him and where he is headed. Dear wife, stop nagging. He wants home to be peace after all the hell he has to face outside. Learn to patiently accommodate what won't kill you and take with grace when you can communicate and not nag. Don't repeatedly bring up and exhume issues that have been dealt with and passed. That's advanced nagging, and that one hurts more. Dear wife, be content. He is already aware that your so and so are richer and the world may have left him behind. He is constantly dealing with so much internal crisis as to his capacity and battling silent internal comparison with who he thinks is doing better than him. Being content with such as he can provide is your greatest calming contribution and statement of faith in him. Dear wife, encourage him. No man is strong enough without encouragement. It literally means infused with courage. When he takes up what's hard or tough or demanding or doubting or scary even to him, be that voice that shows belief and trust for his capacity. A great wife is a great cheerleader. You should actually be the greatest support system he has. Dear wife, pray for him. He needs tons of it. And it is okay to let him know you do. Even unbelieving men are happy to know that someone is praying for them. That's why they run to prophets and diviners. Dear wife, feed him well. He is often very hungry. Feed him well from bed to dining. Pay attention to both meals and ensure he isn't just eating, but it is well served. Be clean. Smell well, support the wetness if you need to, and who says a few products to spice the experience is bad? Study what works and innovatively deploy it. Finish him, please. Thank you for listening. Do well to subscribe. Love you. God bless you.